Partial enlightenment is based on the persistent experience of a deeper spiritual reality of some kind, such as spirit or awareness. This deeper spiritual reality is an aspect, level, or dimension of your overall experience. However, in full enlightenment, there is nothing but a spiritual reality. There is no other aspect, level, or dimension of experience. Spiritual reality is the only reality that there is, and there is nothing else existing alongside or in relation to it. The mind, body, world, and everything in them reveal this spiritual reality at all times. This means that everything that is present in your experience right now is revealing this reality to you. The entire field of your experience is a field of enlightenment. So, if you are searching for enlightenment, remember that it is always right in front of you. This is enlightenment.